Hey y'all, it's breakfast time and you know I'm hungry. Got to feed the family and the crew, so we're fixing to cook some sweet maple pancakes. Oh, can't wait, I'm hungry. All right, y'all, we're gonna mix up a little concoction here. Watch this, y'all. It's pretty simple. We're gonna dump this syrup in here. Have y'all ever made your own syrup, flavored syrup? Y'all, this is gonna be super good. Blueberries. Now you can use blackberries, whatever you want. We got blueberries. All we're gonna do is dump these blueberries in here, except this one. Just like that. Now the secret ingredients, sweet maple seasoning. Okay, we're gonna stir this around a little bit. That's good enough to eat right there, y'all. A lot of my kinfolk to this day, they still make syrup. We used to sit up all night building the fire, they made us kids keep the fire going all night. And they had big, long vats. They would throw wood under and ball the sugar cane, and that's how you get your syrup. In fact, I think I got some of that syrup right up here. Sure do. Look at that. Made by the Joyner family, which is kinfolks of mine. But when we was kids, we'd go over there, and it's a big thing. They still do it to this day. They raise their own sugar cane, grind it up, and make syrup, cane syrup out of it. Okay, enough of that. Let's make some bacon. I'm hungry. Love that sizzle, y'all. Ain't nothing like bacon cooking on the Blackstone. We're gonna throw down a few of them. All right, y'all, the bacon's down. We're going to make some pancakes. Come on over here. Got my handy dandy, look at this. You don't know I love my gadgets. This is from Blackstone. First thing, we're gonna add a little water in here. I always add water first because it once you add your pancake mix, it don't stick to the bottom of it. When I was growing up, we definitely never had no box pancake. Nothing like this, never. I remember one time my mama let us go, cause we was watching TV and see these TV dinners. Mama let us all get one, because we just had to have one. We put them TV dinners in that oven, cooked them, and they wasn't Mama's cooking, that was for sure. Okay, y'all, I like this thing. We done mixed up, y'all. All right, y'all, time to flip this bacon over a little bit. Here we go. Everybody likes the bacon different. I just like my bacon. Y'all leave it in the comments down below, see what y'all think. How you like it cooked? Everybody likes it different. All right, we're gonna throw this little orange ring down. I'm gonna show y'all what to do with it. Look at there. We're gonna make some pretty pancakes, y'all. All you're gonna do is dump. And what I like to do is let these little bubbles come to the top. That's how you know the bottom's getting done. The bacon's almost done. Syrup's looking good. Pancakes are almost done. We're gonna do this a few more times. We're gonna make a lot of pancakes. We got a lot of people to feed. And y'all just hang on, come back and see us in a minute. Oh, golly, it smells good. Give it a little stir around. Now we're gonna drip this all over it. And we're gonna put blueberries on them. Y'all, dude, that's gonna be good, y'all. One last thing, got to have powdered sugar, y'all. Oh, it's all done. I got to eat. I'm pretty pumped about this. I'm gonna try this blueberry syrup we made. You know I gotta get some of that bacon put over here. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Throw some blueberries in your syrup. Heat them up like that. It's just totally different taste. You can use blueberries, blackberries, whatever you got, strawberries. Y'all make some of this. Feed your family, feed the neighbors, feed everybody. Right now I gotta eat. Y'all, bacon is so good.
Tonight you're cooking with the